Bro, Mara 1999? 20. It's sold. It's sold. Mara has sold, guys. Alright, you guys, so this is going to be a little bit of a different video. Um, Outside of futures, outside of my typical trading with futures on a daily basis, I like to swing trade as well, and I just need more capital, and I'm starting to get to that point. I'm starting to get more capital. So one of the first ones that I'm going to show you guys is with the stock called Mara, M-A-R-A. They're a cryptocurrency mining company, based out of Nevada, I think, and basically they are very correlated to, you know, the movement of Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency industry. And as you saw in the video that I just started off with, is I swung trade a position in there. This is my first ever. I had 18 shares only of the stock. But basically, after some back testing, what I do is this bottom line. Let's change it to blue. This blue line right here is a buy zone. It's a buy zone across the daily. It's at $15 a share. Around $15 to $14 a share is a really, really, really good buy zone. If we zoom out to like let's say like a month, on a monthly basis, this stock has only been around since 2012. But as we look at it, as it's stabilized ever since, you know, 2022-ish, there's a very average trend going on here, where the stock tends to bounce off of $15 a share. If we just cut this area out down here, and even if it falls down this low, it's a great time to buy, right? But say let's go right here to where it starts to stabilize. 2022 cents. As you can see, that blue line is a really, really good buy factor, and that red line, which is $20 a share, is what I'm gonna sell. And as you saw in the video, I held that position since it was August 14th, and I sold it today, October 6th. So about a month and a half or so, I was holding that position. I entered, I believe, on this one right here, and sold it right here. Stock is still running. It'll probably run up higher, but again, that's where the risk comes into play, right? I'm good with making 33%, and I'll call it. And you can probably run this about 3 to 4 times a year. If we start off from let's say 2022, January, nothing. First touch right there in May of 2022, and this is where, you know, the price isn't really doing too much, but then we get a touch 1988. You know, let's not count that, but May 2022, I'm gonna hold that for about a year. But you're gonna make a 33% return in a year. But as of lately, as of 2023, this is where the things start to get more into play. So starting in January of 24, right? We buy down here at 15, bang, same month we're selling. February, March, nothing. April comes around, another buying opportunity, and then bang, we sell. That's 66% return. Repeat again right here in August 24. Then we're gonna sell either in October or November. Just say November. It's 3. Go down here. February is when tariffs are to come into play. Good buying opportunity. Stock falls all the way down to about $10 a share. And if we look at it, that's 3 that we had in 2024. It's 99, about 100% return. It's 33.33% is what you make if you buy it at 15 and sell at 20. And this year so far, one buying opportunity. Then we had that one we could sell right there in July, and then we just had the buying opportunity come again in August, and then we sold right here. So far this year we've had 2, 66.66 return. And right, all you need is more capital. So say you have $100,000, you put $100,000 into the trade, you're gonna make $33,000 once it hits your $20 a share. You repeat the process every single day. You know, Mara is decently healthy company. But I think the biggest thing about this company though is that Bitcoin is going to continue to rocket. It's going to continue to shoot up and up and up. So the value of this company should just go up over time. If we look at just Mara company, you know, we look at news. These guys are always announcing growth in Bitcoin, growth in just trying to mine as much Bitcoin as possible, and that's what gets investors up. So yeah, but of course, there's always risks that come with it. Right, the stock could always plummet to $0 a share, but I don't see that happening. Companies been around for a while, and some more of a kind of a meme stock at times. But yeah, it's the first swing trade that I've done, and I'm gonna continue to do it. I'll keep you guys updated on how many times I'm swing trading this. I won't be entering in for a while until it falls back down to the 15s, 14s, and then we'll hold it till we hit 20 again. So yeah, just if you guys are looking into it, Mara, it's a good stock. Blue line is that buy zone around $15 a share. Red line, that sell zone. You know, so you can throw 100% of your position right here if you want, or you could, you know, start dollar cost averaging 20, 20, 20, and like 20%, depends on where it goes up or down, and whatever you feel more comfortable with, right? But overall, that was a pretty good trade, 33% return, and we just gotta scale it up from there. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.